Welcome to 2+0-cooking, and we are making cucumber cream cheese bruschetta today. If you've never made this absolutely delicious appetizer before, then stick around. Hello, my name is B, and if this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I make small, tasty recipes for me and my plus one out of our tiny apartment kitchen. Our recipes are small, easy on the budget, and easily scalable for more servings. So let's make some cucumber cream cheese bruschetta. So let's get going. There's only two of us here, and I want to make a nice amount, so I'm just going to use less than half. So I'm going to take 1/2 of it and put it in my Mirepoix bag. Now I went ahead and already washed this. Now normally they're going to tell you to peel it. And what I'm doing is I'm using a knife. And the reason being is that most people, when they're making cucumber sandwiches, they throw this away. So what I'm doing is I'm taking these cucumbers and I'm going to go ahead and cut them up into something that I can use. So I'm just going to slice this up. Figure about 1/4 inch. You want to know you're eating a cucumber. So you don't want to slice it super thin. So I softened up the French bread and I buttered it so it's nice and soft. Now I'm going to go ahead and toast it and then I'll bring it right back. So this is what we have going. I have the Philadelphia cream cheese. There wasn't much left in it. As you see, I used the whole thing. It's probably about 1/4 cup at the most. And what I did was I added about a teaspoon of butter to it and started mixing it around before my camera died. And I had the dill because I use that in my potato recipes. They're great on baked potato, fried potato. They're also great in pickles. I have some mint here that's kind of dying. We used that on a drink previously. But the reason why I bought the mint was actually I'm going to make some Vietnamese pho. And I took some of the dill and some of the mint and washed it off. So I have my trusty scissor here. I'm just going to start shaving that. They sell dry dill. I suggest not using that. It doesn't taste like anything. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's got a really nice taste. We've got our serving plate here. Take the back side. Get it nice and even. Oh yeah. Oh, that's tasty. Add a little crushed pepper to it. So I took some of the rind, added salt to it. This is our cucumber cream cheese bruschetta. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this. It's really good. I mean, that garnish is good. You'd be surprised. Thank you very much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching this video making cucumber cream cheese bruschetta. If you like this video, then please like us below. There are also links on the screen for other 2+0-cooking recipes. Remember to subscribe and you'll be notified of new videos every week. As always, I have a summary of this recipe below in the description. And also please visit our website, 2+0-cooking.com. If you have any comments or ideas, then please post them below. We love hearing from our viewers and answering their questions. We also invite our viewers to share their ideas or recipes with each other in the comments section. Thank you for watching, looking forward to hearing from you, and see you soon. Beef out. As always, just because I'm done cooking after this recipe doesn't mean our kitchen is closed. The following images are for a future meal for me and my plus one. Enjoy.